Good morning, children. This is Shubhil speaking. Children, we have been dealing with a chapter comparing quantities in which we have completed till question number 7 is over. So, like the exercise in which we are dealing with, that is about exercise 8.3, question number till 7 we have done. So, we will start from question number 8. Children, these questions from NCRT book of exercise 8.3, these questions are really very much interesting, and a very useful knowledge is given out here. So we really need to understand the question and the process very nicely, so that we can deal with all such kind of questions very nicely. Question number 8 is about Amina buys a book for rupees 275. So children, the cost price CP of a book, CP of the book is, cost price of the book is 275 rupees, 275 rupees, and sells it in the loss of 15%. So the percentage of loss is equal to 15%. This is the percentage of loss. How much does she sell it for? Now the question is that what is the selling price of this book, as she made a loss of 15% on sell? What was the selling price of it? Children, as we all know that every calculation is based on cost price. So as she made a loss, the percentage of loss was 15%. Let us find out what is 15% of 275. Okay, let us find it out first. So 15% of 275 is 15 by 100 into 275. Okay, let us have a calculation, children. So like I will prefer to go for cancellation, go for multiplication instead of cancellation. So let us multiply 275 with 15. What comes? 5 5s are 25, 5 2 will be carried, 5 7s are 35, 36 37, 7 will be here, 3 will be carried, 5 2s are 10, 11 12 and 13 into 5 1s are 5, 7 1s are 7, 2 1s are 2. So here is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 1 will be carried, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 11, 1 will be carried, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 41 4125, 4125 divided by 100. So children, 4125 divided by 100, what comes? It will be 41.25. 41.25 rupees, amount of rupees like loss she has made. So children, as this much amount she made loss, so of course this amount will be subtracted from cost price. So let us subtract this amount from cost price right now. Okay, so we are going to write over here, therefore the selling price is equal to cost price minus amount of loss. This is only for applicable for the situation where we make loss. So cost price was 275.00 minus 41.25 rupees. Let us have a subtraction of these two values, children. So 275.00 minus this one will be, it will be, let us subtract 70.75, 4 and 3, here will be 2, 234.75, 234, it will be 233, I'm sorry children, 233.75 rupees is the selling price of that book. I hope it's clear, absolutely clear to everyone, children. Now, this was a very simple concept. We all understood this one very nicely. Now the next topic which is going to be started, that is about simple interest. Okay. Now question is that, so what is simple interest? Simple interest is the amount, extra amount which will we will be paying for a certain amount of loan. Suppose children, I need to build a house and I need rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so I'll be surely taking the loan of this amount from bank. So the moment I'm taking the loan of rupees 1 lakh, I have to pay some extra amount on that. So what is that extra amount? That is the simple interest. Okay. So children, as we have understood the concept of simple interest in the life class properly, so simple interest comes with the formula of principal into rate of interest into time by 100. So children, here suppose the amount of loan was rupees 1200 into rate of interest, which varies on bank to bank, that is the percentage of interest. So that is suppose 12% per annum, and time is suppose 3 years. Time is 3 years divided by 100. So children, here 0 0 0 and 0 will be cancelled. 12 12s are 144 into 3. So 144 into 3 is 432 rupees, which is to be paid extra, which is the extra amount to be paid after 3 years if we take the loan of 1200 rupees. So this is the amount which is I'm going to pay extra. So my final amount to be paid is, amount is equal to principal plus SI. So the principal was 1200 and simple interest is 432. Added together, it's 1632 rupees to be paid after 3 years if the loan is of rupees 1200 for the rate of interest, 12% per year or per annum. So children, this is how we need to calculate simple interest. It was a brief explanation of simple interest. In the next video, I'll explain simple interest with more situations, with more criterions. So till then, you will be trying this question, you will try out this question and you will submit in the Google Classroom. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.